I said, could it be that these 7 pillars are the 7 key pillars for healing most inflammatory and chronic diseases? So I started checking my patients. Patients with inflammatory disease or chronic disease, I started putting them on these pillars. And lo and behold, they started healing. And that is when I wrote the book years ago, The 7 Pillars of Health. Because you see, most diseases are choice diseases. Now let me say that again. Most chronic diseases are choice diseases. You see, church, you catch a cold, you catch a flu, but you develop obesity by wrong food choices. You develop type 2 diabetes by wrong food choices. You develop most heart disease from wrong food choices, most dementia, most Alzheimer's disease, most cancers from choosing wrong foods. And so what I learned is remove the thorn and watch the body heal. But some thorns affect everyone, certain thorns affect just you. And the thorns, what I mean, are foods. Does that make sense? Yes. Now, if you eat processed meats every day, church, here's what you're signing up for. Colorectal cancer. You do not want that. You're also signing up for gout and arthritis and artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners and MSG, especially aspartame, it causes weight gain, increased appetite. Listen to me, women. Migraine headaches. You have a migraine headache, cut out your NutraSweet, your artificial sweeteners, and your MSG. Many migraines go away. And finally, if you have a seizure disorder, it's amazing when I get them off these artificial sweeteners and MSG, seizures are improved dramatically, and ADHD. With your kids with ADHD, you get them off those excitotoxic foods or flavorings, and it's amazing how ADHD is improved. Deep fried foods are associated with osteoarthritis, pains in your fingers and knees, and last but not least, salty foods are associated with high blood pressure. I've got lots more, but I'm out of time, so let's just stand up and let's make a confession of faith. First confession, repeat after me, I choose God's wisdom, which brings length of days, longevity, peace of mind, and health and healing. I will make wise choices concerning foods, and I will choose more living foods and less dead foods. I will remove from my house all the dead food that I crave. I will crucify my flesh daily, and I'll give my body what it needs instead of what it craves. Now, according to Deuteronomy 30, verse 19, I have set before you life and death, blessing and cursing. Now it's up to you. Choose life so that you and your children will live. Praise God.